Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a glow material which you can use to make sparks or different glows inside Niagara. It's a really helpful material and you can use it for a lot of emitters. So let's start. First you have to create a material inside the content drawer, and this is the main viewport when you create your first material. So first you have to click here on this glow material node here, and to change it to here to translucent and to unlit. Where is unlit? It's here, the first one. Okay, now it's time to build our material. First let's add a particle color from where we will start to build our stuff inside. So by clicking the right button on your mouse, you have to write particle color and to add it. After that, press M on your keyboard and left button of your mouse to place this multiply nodes here. And now it's time to start to connect them. Maybe one more multiply here. Okay, and now let's take the RGB here, connect it with the A of the first multiply here. And now it's time to connect it to the B on this multiply here. Okay, the another one, we have to take the A to connect it with A here. And now let's click the right button again. Let's write depth fade. Let's connect it now together. And this depth fade to opacity here. And this multiply to emissive color. Okay, so let's continue here. First, what I'm going to do is to create radio gradient exponential here. So right button again, radio gradient exponential. So we have to connect it now with the multiply, and okay, and with this one as well. Okay, something like that. Okay, and here let's add another node by clicking the number one of your keyboard and the left button of your mouse. You add this value node. So here I will connect it with the radius, and inside I will write a value like 0.5, for example. Okay, so we are almost ready with this glow material. So let's continue with one more multiply here. I will connect it with this multiply, and now I will add one emissive node. So here again, one number of your keyboard, again here the left button, and you see this. After that you have to click the right button and convert to parameter, and here let's write emissive inside. Okay, and now let's connect it to the B, and here let's add a small value like 1, for example. Okay, I think it's enough. Now let's continue. Click A on our keyboard and add this add node. So again, let's connect it. Here we have to write sign, add the sign node, to connect it again with add here. One more add by pressing A on our keyboard, like that. And now particle random value, and let's connect it here, and here time. Okay, that's good. And now you can see we have this glow material, which is a perfect material for sparks and glow inside Niagara. And let's click save. And our material, it's ready. So let's see what will happen if we don't have this time. So the time is making the animation of our glow here. So that's why it's important to have this time. So I will bring it back. And we can also adjust the period if you want. So let's activate it. Now we don't have animation. If we want to have fast animation, I will write something like that, period 0. Okay, let's increase it now to 1. Okay, now it's faster. Let's increase it to 5. Okay, so for now we don't need it. Okay, let's see if we decrease the value or if we increase it. Okay, ignore pause. So we have only, I think, values between 0 and 1 here, which are working properly. So yeah, I will stop it and we'll have it by default here. I will stop the ignore impulse. We'll click save. And yeah, emissive, this is the emissive color which we are giving to our material here. And yeah, that's everything about this material, guys.